What makes a chameleon so special? It's flexible, adaptable, and always ready for action. That's the secret to its success. But what does this have to do with Bosch Rexroth? Our modular aluminum profile system is flexible for limitless ideas and a wide range of industries. Adaptable, thanks to the extensive modular system, and quickly available due to high standardization, quickly designed with the help of simple software, quickly delivered via a global sales network, quickly installed thanks to simple handling. The world's largest portfolio of aluminum profiles and our decades of experience give you unbeatable flexibility. Applications for almost every conceivable scenario and 300 connector variants guarantee endless combinations with maximum load capacity. A wide range of accessories complete the modular aluminum profile system and offer a unique variety of options to design your production, assembly system, or workstations. As unique as your challenges, without any loss of quality, time and time again. The original aluminum profile system from Bosch Rexroth.